Rick on the talkaphone talking a lot as usual. And Rasta here giving me signals like, wow, wow, why? But people, the moment you have been waiting for, she's here with us live this evening. Tanakimone, welcome to the Up and Live show. It's been long overdue.
Hello, hi. Thanks for having me.
Thanks for coming through and I like the hairstyle.
Thank you. But especially for you, like some hope you like it.
You get some new style for hairstyle for it?
Yeah, just for company show you.
Oh Jesus, I like it. It'll go on. You see that now, people? New hairstyle, fresh hairstyle for the show. I wanna go on a be new hairstyle for we. But big up yourself, and I must say congratulations to your new edition as well.
Thank you. I had a little baby boy.
That's nice, lovely, lovely. And we've been trying to make the connection from a while now, but the circumstances that happened, then we have to postpone and then we have to reschedule.
Yes, I know.
Yes.
It's been long, but I'm here now, so.
Yes, that's what counts. That's what's good. Right. So how first of all, introduce yourself to me and just tell me a little bit about Tanakimone. Just tell me about yourself.
So I'm Tanakimone. I'm a new artist just coming into the industry. I've been singing from I was young. My dad introduced me to music actually, but I'm only just like taking it seriously now and trying to get myself out there now.
Okay, you finally just decided after daddy been telling you to listen to my girlfriend sing out your soul. You just decided to say, all right.
Yes.
Finally.
Do you know when you're young and your dad's just on your case every minute, like, let's go to the studio, do this, do that, do that. I'm like, Dad, I'm trying to be my age, like, let me live, leave me alone. So it's just now I'm thinking that, you know what, God gave me a blessing. So, you know, let me just see what can happen.
Yeah, because I can see you. The first time I met you was at Big Zeke's show, and I was at was it in Shoreditch?
Yeah.
That was the first time, and I realized, yeah, this girl have energy still.
Thank you.
And then you're partying with my toast friend, Spooky. Because myself with a Spooky. You know, I see you did a couple collaborations with Spooky.
Yeah.
As well.
Yeah.
It seems like you guys have some chemistry in the studio.
Do you know what? Yeah, the first time I met Spooky, I was actually recording Pretty, and I met him in the studio. You heard the song, and he was like, "No, I forgot that song. It sounds bad." And that's like the first time me and him actually spoke, and the song was bad.
Yeah, that was good. It's very good. I'm like, Spooky fine. New girl artist, I never see her. Who she? I'm like, hey, boy, Spooky. But anyway, we'll start out Spooky with her next time. For that. But you're here in the UK, and obviously, tell me about Lisa. Are you Jamaican affiliation, or you have family?
Yeah, I'm born Jamaican.
You're born Jamaican?
Yes.
Okay, so how long have you been in the UK?
I've been here from I was 9 years old.
Okay.
I'm 26 now. So
no,
I'm 27. Oh my God, I forgot my age. I'm 27.
17 years now. My head tougher than me. I just calculated the real way. So you've been here quite a while.
Yeah.
And have you decided to go back to Jamaica to do any of the music, or you just decided that you're gonna reside here?
Do you know, I'm just open to everything right now. I'm just like trying to get my foot into the door, and just I'm open to anything. So if I don't even mind going back to Jamaica for a little bit to see if there's opportunity that comes up, then I would take it. I'm just ready for anything, you know.
Yeah. Okay, so talk to me about you start out in the music. You say Dad took you to studio. Yeah. First of all, and you decided. So was he teaching you how to sing like the one drop style? And because you know, I'm just judging if that's Jamaican, like how I know it. He's going to be teaching you how to sing like the classical stuff, like say Gregory Isaac stuff. How did it start?
So basically,
what gave you the attraction? Really?
I think I was cleaning one day, and then like I have a passion for Ashanti.
Yeah.
So my dad must have heard me singing the song, and I said to him I wanted to go into Black History. I wanted to do Black History Month at school, and he was like, "You can't sing. Or you forgot to go do Black History Month. You're gonna embarrass me on stage." And I was like, "No, that I can sing. Trust me." So he was like, "All right, go on then, go on." So I did a little Ashanti, little foolish song, and then he was like, I never know you can sing, because my dad is a little DJ things, but he never thought I could do it because you know I never did it before. So when he heard me, he was just like, "Yep." He took me to studio in London. We got a whole song made and everything. When he just wanted me to like be on it, go to radio station, do this and do that. But I was young them times. I just really was. I was not interested at all.
You're not interested in that?
No, not at all. But that's how it all came about.
Yeah. So for 2018, obviously you were doing loads of stuff, because I realized that you're quite active before your lovely little one. Talk us through that moment where you decided, all right, listen, this is what I wanted, and I'm going for this. Because I realized you had a little energy in that space of era between say 2017 to 2018, you had a little drive there. What propelled that energy?
I think when I really, really took it serious was like, I was talking to my friend and I was like, we need to be rich. Like, I want to live them lifestyle. I want to be on a yacht and be doing this and doing that. And she was like, you can sing. It was my friend Zendika actually. And she was like, you can sing. Like, why don't you try doing that? You're always writing these songs. And I'm always sending her little voice records of little remix I've made of songs and stuff like that. And then my friend Rayon, he always on my case, like, you need to do this music, just try it and see what happens. Like, just go to the studio and record a song. And then I met Tempa and Prince Akeem, the guy who I made Savage with. Yeah. And I did work with Cutty. Well. Yeah, they got like a little studio at their house. So I went with them. Do you know, have you heard of Blings before?
Yeah, I heard of
Blings, yeah, he did music before. I was actually the girl that said that Blings, what you want for dope?
Is it?
Yeah, it was my voice, but I wasn't comfortable in like doing that whole exposure of showing who I was or whatever. So I've been doing little things here and there. Yeah, like I've been doing little things in there, but now I'm a bit confident in myself and like going out there. Yeah. It's a lot that comes with the whole music thing. People be in your business and I'm quite private, so.
Well, I don't know about the private part still. We'll see about that. What's happening for you now, 2019? What are your goals?
For right now that my little Baba is born, it's time to get back into it, full effect. So me and Spooky's planning our video for Pretty Pretty because that really did so well. It was a shame that we didn't really get to push it as much as it did because obviously I got pregnant. Yep. But we got a video coming out in the summer for Pretty Pretty. I've got a new song with Akeem called Savage. I've just got some other stuff coming. I've got another song coming out by myself because I haven't done anything by myself. So I really want people to hear that I can sing, not only just DJ, you know. So I've got quite a few projects working on. So it's a lot to come for 2019. Stay tuned.
And I have one little risk against you for the Savage song. So I'm going to say it here now because my producer looking at me like, earlier when I played it and it had a little bit of swearness in the end of it. And when you send it to me, it said clean. So I'm saying it now in front of her. It did say clean.
I'm sorry.
So even though it's my fault, I should listen, but I'm just guessing. But anyway, I just have to get that off of my chest. Right? Okay. Good. So you know, who would you like to work with next? You know, because obviously you worked with Spooky before. Mm-hmm. And who would be your ideal collaboration moving forward for
I think I would really like to get into that that kind of music, like Crep and Conan kind of vibe, that kind of party, kind of English rather than too much dancehall. I want to really kind of get into that party spirit kind of vibe. Even like a little, you know, that lady Miss Banks, she got a new song called Snack. I really like that kind of vibe, that licking like a snack. That kind of.
So the UK side is kind of rubbing off on you now.
Yes, like I feel like you just I'm kind of, I just want to be I just want to be able to do this and a bit of that, and I don't want to just stick into one zone.
So mostly like what's her name again? I can't remember her name. I can't remember her name. Can't remember. Steph Lannan. Kind of like, because she doubles both in
she does do both.
She does do the UK style, so that would be that would be good.
A little like that,
Who's your biggest inspiration in the music?
My biggest inspiration in the music. That's really a tough one, but do you know what? I feel like I really kind of look to Spice in a way because of her journey. Like, she does everything on her own. She's like this girl power, independent woman, and she just push.
Yeah, you can say that her work rate is phenomenal. Yeah, Spice, because she's always working. I wonder if she have time to sleep.
Yeah, exactly.
Right. Every day, if you look at her Instagram, she's busy doing something.
And she does it all herself. She hasn't got a management. She does it all herself. I feel like music is a male-dominant world. So for a woman, like, she really just be out there doing her thing.
But I think where the business is, the females have to be working twice as hard.
Yes, definitely.
Maybe that's why she has to be doing extra more. What I don't think it's all that at times, because the female have certain things into their advantage, which it's uncomfortable waters I'm treading on right here, so I'm kind of choosing my words carefully. Like I said, I don't want to say anything to offend anyone, but females have ups and they have downs. Let me just leave it at that. So I don't get myself in trouble, because I might say something and people and get to me after that. So 2019, you have your brand new song single with Prince Akeem.
Yeah.
And you also there's another one as well.
Yeah, that's the one by myself that I accidentally sent to you, but yeah.
Yep. But I haven't played it. No, I listened to it. But that's why I wasn't trying to. I wanted you to say it.
Yeah.
Rather than me saying it. But yeah, definitely we'll be looking for great things for you for 2019 and beyond. And I see you got talent, and I like the people that you're around. So I do think. Are you friends with Smoothface? I think.
Yes, I'm actually starting to do a project with Smoothface recently. We're doing some work in the studio. Yeah. So.
I didn't know you have any connection with Smoothface, but I was trying to tell you that Smoothface, for a person like yourself, I think Smooth is a very
he's definitely a talented guy. Yeah,
he's crazy talented.
He is very.
And I think you're gonna do great things for 2019 and beyond. But anyway, this is the Up and Live show, and everyone comes here. You've seen the clips, you've seen what happened.
Yeah.
We're gonna train the deep waters, but I must warn you, as your song was a bit. Please. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, people. So this is the Upper Live show. We call this segment the Freestyle. So if you're watching and you like the videos, thumbs up. If you don't like it, thumbs down. All right.
People, give me nothing too rough and
no. Celeste and Tommy. Tanakimone live, you know. Oh no. I don't want to give you that one. I changed my mind.
All right.
I changed my mind. I got something else up my sleeve that I really was planning to give you. And let me see if it can come up. Let me see. Because I want to put you into the deep waters. I don't want to give you anything that's going to make you comfortable right now.
I'm new to this, don't embarrass me.
Yeah, no, it's not even embarrassing, you know. It's more like one of them ones that you just want something that flows.
Yeah.
And for some reason, he decided that it's not picking up now. Let me see if this one's work. People, remember, if you're watching us, remember you can like and share the link. If you're on Facebook right now, you're watching anything, like and share the link is very important. If I can find this beat to play, let me see. Let me go with this one. Something different, old school.
Can't just do no beat.
This is the beat we're working with. This is the freestyle.
Alright, let me try now.
Out of the box.
Alright. Baby, are you ready for loving? 'Cause tonight I got something for you. DJ Rick, are you ready for loving? 'Cause I got something here for you. Tonight my body is calling. For you my body is yearning. I need you to come on over tonight. Baby.
You see it, Art? You see it, Art? It's what matter about. You see what matter about. That's just. Don't let it run. Let's keep it run. This is Tanakimone live here on the Upper Live Show at TGM Radio.
You want to pick it back up? Boom pan it, boom 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 pan it, bubble 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 bubble, gal boom pan it. Boom pan it, gal, ga boom pan it. Bubble, 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 gal. Baby boy, you a come over me yard. Come tell me say you want it hard. Baby boy, you a call off my phone and tell me say you want me to meet me alone. Boom, boom pan it, me a boom pan it. Boom, boom pan it hard. Me a boom pan it, boom, boom pan it. Me a boom pan it yard. Gal, sit down, pan. Gal, sit down, pan. Gal, sit down, pan.
I see you trying your best not to.
I'm trying. It's hard not to swear. I don't have nothing clean.
But that makes sense. This is the perfect place to practice. This is the Up and Live show. And I like how you're making your best. You're trying your best to keep it clean, and I like that. So. do commend you for that, alright? Just before we go, can you tell people how to find you and find your music online?
If you search Tanakimone, you can find me on everything. Social media, Instagram, Tanakimone, Snapchat, Tanakimone, Facebook, Tanakimone, SoundCloud, Tanakimone, everything Tanakimone, you'll be able to find me.
Okay, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna exit the freestyle, which is very random.
Alright, wait, drop one more. I'm gonna drop some. Okay, yeah, try.
You have something ready?
Yeah.
You have something ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let me try. Let me find another beat for you. This week I'm really slacking this week.
Yeah, cause can give me them old people songs.
No, it's not old. Listen, it's not old people. This is what we call versatility. Yeah, this is what we call versatility. Let me see. Let me keep it like this one. Hitmaker.
Baby boy, you dip on my mind. Call my phone every day and every night. Send me a text, read me soon, come over. Love me, I love on your sofa. Wife, you call, tell her, fake call later. My body so sweet, you a wake up the neighbor. Rub me down, baby, my body, hey. My body is calling for you. Baby, tell me when you want to. Me have something when I want to give you. Baby, my body is calling for you. Baby, me have something for you.
Okay, I'm gonna drop one last 30 seconds, yeah? Last 30 seconds for this one. We'll take you out with this one. Tanakimone people right here up on live show. Let's go.
Pretty. When me use all them and slow wine pan with the wicked Islam. Pretty. When me put them and slow wine pan. Me have the pretty body touch when me use all them and slow wine pan the John with the wicked Islam. Pretty body touch when me use all them and slow wine pan the John with the wicked Islam. When the wife you see me, she have to walk am down. She might have the ring, but I me have them and me have the buffy buff. When me use all them and slow wine pan the John with the wicked Islam. Pretty body touch when me use all them and slow wine pan the John with the wicked Islam. Pretty body touch when me use all them and slow wine pan the John with the wicked Islam.
Mad out a roll. I big up to everybody on the Facebook right now. Big up to I took got it like this year. Big up to Dragon Star got it like as well. Yeah. Any last words before we go?
Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you tune in every Tuesday at 9 p.m.
I like that. Say it again. Say it again.
Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you tune in every Tuesday at 9 p.m.
Simple. You know, we're going to take a little clippings there and I use it every time. People, Tanakimone was here, and it's a pleasure having you here in studio this evening. And hopefully we can get to back in studio again when you got some new materials, and we will be definitely watching your career and supporting you.
Thank you
each
very
and
much.
every time. And you know, when you get the new song, them make sure you send the clean version and come give it.
I will. I promise.
Definitely. All right. So people, thank you very much for watching the show. Remember, the show is sponsored by Shush Prince, Fast Prince, also by World Mag Entertainment. So you can catch us here each and every Tuesday. And if you've seen any of our shows and you want to see it again, you can go onto our YouTube page. It's called Up and Live Show on YouTube, and you can go there and you can watch all the previous shows. Remember, you can follow us on Instagram as well, Up and Live Show, on Facebook, Up and Live Show, on Snapchat. You can follow